Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have an exciting deep dive into the much-anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a game-changing update to DJI's ultra-compact gimbal camera lineup. If you're a content creator, vlogger, or someone who just loves capturing high-quality footage on the go, this camera could be the perfect addition to your gear. While DJI has yet to officially confirm the details, recent leaks and rumors suggest some major hardware and software improvements that could set the Pocket 4 apart from its predecessors. Let's explore everything we know so far, including new features, camera specs, battery life, price, and release date. A more refined design and build quality. One of the first noticeable changes in the Osmo Pocket 4 is its slightly larger body. According to leaks, the device is expected to weigh around 190 g, making it a bit heavier than the previous model. This increase in size is likely due to improvements in ergonomics, display size, and heat dissipation. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a new 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The screen resolution is expected to be 480 by 800 pixels, with 800 nits of brightness, ensuring clear visibility even in bright outdoor environments. Alongside the new display, the grip texture and button placement have been revised for enhanced comfort, making it easier to hold for extended recording sessions. DJI has reportedly strengthened the rotation mechanism as well, improving durability and usability. Enhanced camera performance and image quality. At the heart of any camera upgrade is its sensor and lens combination, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to take a major step forward. Leaks suggest it will house a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, offering improved low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity. The ISO range is rumored to be 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, providing better flexibility across different lighting conditions. Content creators will appreciate the addition of 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, making it easier to achieve cinematic results with superior color grading and dynamic range. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the Pocket 4 might support 4K recording at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capability of the previous model. This upgrade is reportedly powered by a new high-performance processor, which will not only enhance workflow speeds but also enable real-time HDR previews and improved image processing. Upgraded autofocus and subject tracking. Autofocus has always been a major discussion point with Osmo Pocket cameras, and DJI seems to be making significant improvements this time. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature phase detection autofocus with eye tracking, ensuring fast and precise focusing, particularly useful for vloggers who need reliable face tracking. Additionally, DJI's Active Track system is getting an upgrade to version 7.0, promising better subject tracking accuracy and responsiveness. Whether you're shooting fast-moving action, pets, or dynamic vlogs, this could be a huge advantage over previous models. Extended battery life and faster charging. Battery performance is a crucial factor for mobile videographers, and leaks suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 will offer up to 200 minutes of continuous recording, a noticeable improvement over the 166 minutes of the Pocket 3. Faster USB-C charging is also expected, with the device reaching a full charge in just 25 minutes. A significant leap from the previous 180-minute charging time. Moreover, DJI has reportedly enhanced the heat management system, reducing overheating issues during long recording sessions. Superior stabilization and enhanced video modes. DJI has always led the market in camera stabilization, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to take it a step further. It will reportedly combine 3-axis mechanical stabilization with enhanced electronic stabilization, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even in the most demanding shooting conditions. Whether you're filming action-packed scenes or handheld vlogs, this stabilization upgrade could make a massive difference. New video modes might also be introduced, such as Hypersmooth Pro, Intelligent Time-Lapse, and AI-powered Cinematic Mode, further expanding creative possibilities for content creators. Expected price and release date. As for pricing, reports suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 will start at $699 for the standard version, while a creator combo package with additional accessories will be priced at $799. While this marks a slight price increase over the Pocket 3, the upgrades in camera performance, display, battery life, and stabilization could make it a worthwhile investment for content creators and vloggers. DJI typically follows a 3-year product cycle, meaning the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027. However, as always, these details remain speculative until DJI makes an official announcement. Final thoughts. Is it worth the upgrade? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be more of an evolutionary upgrade rather than a revolutionary one, refining key aspects that matter most to content creators. With improved image quality, faster processing, superior stabilization, and extended battery life, it could be a strong contender in the compact camera market. Make sure to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the latest camera gear, drones, and tech gadgets. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.